皆さんこんばんは。Junya Tomoshimasu, Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, so yung topic natin for tonight is about nai form. How to conjugate nai form. Kasi tapos na natin yung te form, minasang, no? Okay, hajimete ikimashou. Okay, conjugation. Okay, change the I sounds to A sounds, mina. Okay, example, haimasu is to crawl. Ayun, yung red color na character natin. So, yun yung I sounds before the mas. Ang gagawin natin doon is, gagawin nating A sound si I. Pero bago natin gawing A, umit mo yung mas. Tanggalin si mas. Matitira yung hi. So, gawin nating A, hawa. Then put nai. Hawanai. Example, again, tachimasu is to stand. Yung chi natin magiging A sound. Ano bang A sound ni chi is A, ta. So magiging tata. Then put nai. Tatanay. Hashirimasu is to run. Okay, shiri before the mas is magiging A sound. Magiging hashira. Then put nai. Hashiranay. Hakobimasu is to transport. Si B before the mas magiging A, hakoba, and put nai. Hakobanay. Next natin, si yomimas. Mi, magiging A, yoma, and yomanay. Okay, so yung mga nai form is katumbas ni masen. Yomimas is to read. Next natin, shinimas is to die. Shina, sini magiging A sound. Shina, then put nai. Shinanay. Okay, will not die. Next natin, kakimas is to write. So, omit the mas and si ki magiging A sound. Kaka, then put nai. Kakanay, will not write. Next natin, isogimas is to hurry. Omit mas and si gipo ay magiging A sound. Isoga, then put nai. Soganay, will not hurry. Next, kashimas, omit the mas. She magiging A. Kasa, then put nai. Kasanay, will not lend. Okay, so ito po yung group 1. Then, punta tayo sa group 2, minasang. Group 2, nai form conjugation. Okay, so omit the mas form and put nai at the end. Okay, ganoon lang po. So, yung group 2, hindi po siya I sound, kundi E sound. Pero may tayong mga special. Okay, tabe mas, omit the mas, and magiging tabe, then put nai. Tabe nai. To eat, magiging will not eat. Next, nagi mas straw, umit the mas, and nage matitira, and put nai. Nagenay. Okay, so sila po ay S sound before the mas form. Then, si group 3 naman, umit mas form and put nai lang po. Benkyou shimasu, umit the mas, benkyou shinai. Study and will not study. Next, renraku shimasu is to contact, umit the mas and put nai. Renraku shinai, will not contact. Sodan shimasu to consult and sodan shinai is will not consult. Okay, so ito po yung nai form ng group 2 and group 3. So ngayon naman is gawin nating naide kudasai. Okay, so verb naide kudasai is please don't do. Okay, samantalang si take kudasai mina is please do. Okay, used to ask someone not to do an action politely. Okay, please don't enter because this is the restricted area. So, tachiri kinshi kuiki desu kara. Ito yung restricted area. Okay, so hairanai de kudasai. Nanggaling kay hairimas, no? To enter. Shiri magiging A sound, haira. Please don't lose, wag kang patalo. Make, ito ay group 2. Makemas, group 2. Makenai de kudasai. Omit the mas and put nai de. Please don't contact. Renraku shinai de kudasai. So ito po yung please don't do. Tapos yung te kudasai naman is please do. Ito po yun. Napag-aralan naman natin yung te form. Used to ask someone to do an action politely. So everyday life po ito ginagamit, itong te kudasai. So please read the kanji. Kanji o yonde kudasai. Kung alam mo na yung te form ni yomimas na to read, yonde, lagyan mo lang ng kudasai. Please turn off the lights. Tenki o keshite kudasai. 終わりました、みんな。そう。じゃあ、またね。